Can we get into these highlights though? Oh my gosh, this hair is doing it for me. This is like the perfect fall highlighted wig right here. And this wig is from one of my favorite hair companies to work with. Do you know what company that is? If you've been watching my videos, you should already know it's Arabella Hair, and they did not disappoint yet again. Like I said, I have never had a bad unit from Arabella Hair. This wig came pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and this is a natural like brown black tone with number 30 highlights, and this is the perfect fall highlighted wig. If you are of a deeper complexion and you're a little afraid of color, this color is gonna make your skin pop. Your skin is just gonna look so good, and it doesn't look like you're doing too much. It just looks like you highlighted your hair, okay? I did decide to go in with baby hairs for this unit. I felt like it would be super cute, and I love the way that it turned out. Now this is a 13 by 4 inch HD lace frontal wig. It is 26 inches long. I did go in and just add a little bit of face framing layers in the front off camera because it just made the curls pop a little bit better. If you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you doing? Hit that subscribe button. Make sure that bell is turned on so you're notified as soon as I post a new video. And if you would like to get into how I installed the super gorgeous highlighted wig from Arabella Hair, y'all know what to do. Keep watching.
Love. Miss Independent, I be loving how you winning. I just wanna go catch your vibe. Ayy, wanna see you in the daytime and not when it only get dark outside. Ayy, type of love I can't hide. Ayy, maybe wanna blow your line. Ayy, you don't finish your line. Ayy, I never wanna blow your high. Baby, what's on your mind? Really wanna see your face. Baby, come through and slide. Spend the night at my place. Asking what's on my mind. Wondering how it tastes. Maybe wanna press rewind. Give me that double take. That's on my mind, 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 my mind. That's what's on my mind, on my mind. Exit 110 and hit the 210, cause baby I'm in your section. I know you like to work out, mama. Can I get a late night session? Can we do some late night stretching? Or can we do some late night? Cause talking ain't enough and pictures ain't enough. I'm tired of the late night texts. Look, you been leading me on for a minute. Trying to catch a vibe, pick a song and I'm with it. Girlfriends calling your phone, you should miss it. Why you acting tough when you know you submissive? Calling your bluff on the roll, ain't switching. Ringing doorbell and the rose came with it. And if you really with it, yeah, rose came with it. It's so sweet, pack of honey still dripping. Baby, what's on your mind? Really wanna see your face. Baby, come through and slide. Spend the night at my place. Asking what's on my mind. Wondering how it tastes. Maybe wanna press rewind. Give me that double take. That's on my mind, 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 my mind. That's what's on my mind, on my mind. Got me obsessed, got me obsessed, got me obsessed. Got me obsessed, got me obsessed. You getting better with the times. Looking on your earth, tasting like some fine wine. Ex broke your heart, you can hear that through a mind. Nigga be calling, but you never mind. Cause you all mine. Pull up to my house late night, hit the brake lights in the shade right. I know what's up on your mind. Pour a couple shots, put the Henny in my cup. And a couple moments later, we'll be bending up a twine. Something that's divine. Have to give it time, but I'm patient. I just wanna see on your spaceship. Plus you done the earth and you never on some facial. Didn't have to bill, I the women didn't patient. Basic, we should take a time, but you pace it. And you one to one, God ain't on no copy paste. Felt too many times, this is different, we can make it. Love dripping good off of you, let me taste it. Got me obsessed, got me obsessed, got me obsessed. Got me obsessed, got me obsessed, got me obsessed. yeah. Better when you mad me, yeah. You got better when you mad me, admit it. You said you done trusting, but you did it. Move low key, but I really know you with it. Why you nonchalant when you really got them digits? I'm obsessed, I'm like, yes, ain't no stress. You the best, I'm obsessed, I'm like, yes, ain't no stress. You the best. Look, how you get so good at being modest, girl, be honest. You said you done trusting these niggas, made yourself a promise. I hate to make you take it back. I've been getting paid for rap, ain't talking about the drums. When I tell you I can make it clap, had to make you wait for that. You intrigued with conversation, you be moving dolo, I'm intrigued and I'm in admiration. I can gas you up, but I don't think you need the validation. Still you looking good, natural, without no operation. My old bitch tell you, your old too. Younger me, he wanted street stripes, but they wasn't blue. Now I'm banking on the sweet life when I'm next to you, giving you the credit you deserve, cause it's overdue. You got better when you mad me, admit it. You said you done trusting, but you did it. Move low key, but I really know you with it. Why you nonchalant when you really got them digits? I'm obsessed, I'm like, yes, ain't no stress. You the best, I'm obsessed, I'm like, yes, ain't no stress. You the best. You keep it natural, stay in your bag like you wearing satchels. Hey, baby, you a godsend, just missing the sandals. But still, you ain't missing much. Put your hands on my back, that's a different touch. Put your on my plate, I don't skip the lunch. I don't skip the brunch, not the dinner neither. And we hella close, not a centimeter. Getting in between us, all you two turned up. Never turn down though, when there's big energy, when I come around though. So, don't ever switch. Know you been looking, won't find it like this. Know you been looking for the head of them curves. I'm Jimmy Johnson with this, I'm Jimmy Johnson with this. That I attest, I'm like grinding it. Just cycle, I swim and I run. Whatever you need, I'm trying out the line with it. Turn on the lights, take a flick.
I did this makeup look live on TikTok today. I feel like it turned out super cute. If y'all want a tutorial on it, definitely give this video a big thumbs up. Share it with all your friends. If you're interested in checking out this wig from Arabella Hair, I will leave a link down below with any discount codes that they provide me with per use. If you haven't already checked out my latest Get Ready With Me video, what are you doing, honey? Go ahead, click the box right here, and I will catch y'all in my next one.